Alright, today I'm going to show you how to clean off a stovetop using Windex. So right here I have Windex. It's in this Windex dissolve bottle, but this is indeed Windex. Right here I have my stovetop right here. This is a induction stovetop. I'm going to be showing you how to clean off this induction stovetop. So what I'm going to do is, first thing first, I'm going to take this rag, and if there's any excess material on the stovetop, you can see right here, there's like crumbs, breadcrumbs. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this up. Just go ahead and get this off right here. See that? Then I'm going to take that, throw in the trash. And then what I'm going to do with the Windex, I'm going to go ahead and spray the induction countertop or induction stovetop with the Windex. And the key to this is, I'm going to get the wall a little bit as well because there's a little bit of spaghetti sauce on that. And the key with this is letting the countertop or the induction stovetop have the Windex on here and letting it sit for a little bit, and that way it dissolves some of the crumbs, or excuse me, the crud, dirt, grime, and grease. All right. Now you want to avoid where the controls are. The controls are down this way. You want to add that last, because if you spray some on the controls, then it'll start beeping, and I'll show you how to do it while this is soaking. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the controls. Let you see that a little bit. Now watch, it's going to start beeping any second now. Spray it. It's supposed to start beeping any second now. 1, 2. Maybe not. But it would supposedly supposed to. Is that even grammatically correct? I don't know. But supposed to start beeping, but it did not for some reason. So now that I've had this soaking, it's only been about 30 seconds to a minute. You can let it soak a little bit longer depending on how grimy it is. Go ahead and take your clean cloth like this, right? And you're going to wipe it. I'm just go ahead and first get the wall, because that. I'm going to take this, place it on it, and just wax on and then wax off. Do this motion all over the stove top right here. See that? Wax on, wax off. You can also do the back and forth method like this. That helps. And see how all of the grime is coming up. Now, if it's heavily caked with crud, food, spaghetti sauce, egg, toast, bacon, side of orange juice on the stove, let the Windex soak a little bit longer, and that will enable the unwanted material on the stove to come up easier. And once you've done that, do the wax on, wax off like this. Do one more wax on, flip the cloth, wax on, wax off. All right, and then you can do back and forth like this. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you clean an induction stovetop using Windex. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.